Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful paper quilling cardinal bird along with the shadow box frame, and this is looking very attractive. You can just decorate your desk or your workspace, or you can also give this. And also I will share how to make it from scratch along with the stand, all the quilling flowers, and the red bird is looking very attractive. I'm just loving the outcome so much. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking light green color cardstock, which is 24 by 24 centimeters. From left side I have creased at 1.5, 2.5, 4, 5, 19, 20, 21.5 and 22.5 centimeters. Now rotating the sheet in 90 degrees, and from left side I have creased at 1.5, 2.5, 4, 5, 19, 20, 21.5 and 22.5 centimeters. Then we have to create some markings. So can you see this fourth crease line? So I am just marking at 1.5 centimeters on the horizontal first and second crease line, then diagonally joining with the top and in the bottom. Then making the straight line and one horizontal line again. Similarly repeating on this side. And we just need to cut the pencil markings. In the same way I am going to cut the other two sides. So after cutting, it should look like this. Now I am folding all the creases, burnishing it very well using bone folder, and then constructing the shadow box. And the beautiful shadow frame box is ready. Now I am decorating the edge using 1 centimeter same cardstock strip from all four sides for the finishing, and also decorating all four corners of the frame using this beautiful die cut. This is by Dress My Craft, and I have used gold mirror cardstock to cut this. And this is done, looking very pretty. Then to make stand, here I am taking 30 by 5 centimeter cardstock strip. From left side I have creased at 3.5, 17.5, 22 and 26.5 centimeters. And after folding all the crease line, it should look like this. Super easy. Then we just need to connect it on back side of the frame. So just adding glue on this flap, finding out the center on back side, and then sticking the stand. So you can simply put it on your desk like this. Then inside this I am putting one 11 by 11 centimeter white color cardstock, because all the quilling work will look nice on the white background more, and also it will give little more sturdiness to your frame. So the base is ready. Now we'll start with making the cardinal bird. So here I have created the outline using black marker on white cardstock, and I have also given the template of this bird in the description box. You can simply download it and print it on A4 paper. So you will have the same size as mine. Then before starting with the quilling work, I am going to color the bird using acrylic colors. Here I am using acrylic colors because these are waterproof. You can also use chalk paints. And the purpose of doing the coloring work before quilling is because wherever the quilling work is not there, it should look even after finishing the work. So coloring the wings using little light red, also coloring the beak and the front portion using black color. So the coloring part is done. Then the bird will look like this. Then I am starting with the quilling work. Here I am taking maroon color 3mm strip, folding it from center, add little glue on the half folded part and stick the another strip part on this to make it thicker. Again folding it from center, dividing in two parts and sticking with each other. So you will have nice thick 3mm strip. Instead of normal strip, you can also use 300 GSM cardstock strip. Just make a 3mm cardstock strip and you can directly use that. Then taking back my painting, and we need to outline each and every part of the bird using this kind of thick strip. So first I am covering the wing. And similarly I am going to cover remaining portion. So after making the outline, the bird should look like this. Then to make the filling, here I am taking red color 3mm strip, and we just need to make the loops on top and in the bottom by leaving little gap. We need to increase the size of the loop. So creating the loop on top, then also in the bottom, and just continue this till the end. So you will have long looped petal like this. Add little glue and pinch it nicely. And then we just need to fill each and every gap of the bird using the light red strip loops. So I have already prepared some and I am simply filling this. Similarly, finishing the rest of the box. So this is done. For the wings, I have used another shade of red. Now filling the black portion and also the beak. So according to the size and space of the design, you have to create the loop petal. It can be smaller in the size or larger in the size. So you have to increase or decrease the number of loops according to the shape. And for the beak, I have simply created 2 small teardrops using red strips. These are made using 1/4 strips. Like this. Now I'm just doing little shading work on the wings using dark brown color just to highlight the wings little more. And creating the eye, this is simple circle cut out using white paper and one small black circle. Now I'll add the legs later, and before that I'm just trimming the bird design by doing the fussy cut work. Like this, and the super cute bird is ready, very pretty. Then I am just taking back my frame base and putting the bird exactly in the center and just finding out where it will sit. So according to that, I am creating the rough sketch of the stem on which the bird will sit, and then on the stem area I am coloring with brown acrylic color. And similar to the bird, I am filling the stem also using brown quilling strips, just like we did before. And roughly I am putting the bird so that we can add the extra stems. Then it's time to stick the bird. And also adding legs using black color strips. Wiping out the glue markings immediately using wet brush to make your work clean and neat. Then it's time to make the quilling flowers. For this I'm taking half strip of yellow color in 2 mm and making one tight teardrop shape. I'm making dome using my quilling mold and filling this with glue and joining total 4 petals together to create the flower. Similarly, I have already prepared some flowers with 4 petals and 3 petals. Now to make leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color in 2 mm and making one leaf shape. Similarly, I have already prepared some more leaves. Then taking back my frame and I'll start adhering all the flowers and leaves. like this. And the beautiful cardinal bird frame is ready. I have just decorated the frame using white acrylic colored dots to make the polka dot effect. It is also enhancing the project little more, and you can simply stand it. So in this way you can make the frames using different birds, butterflies, and it will definitely beautify your workspace more. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.